How's it going, YouTube? My name is Blake Yarbrough. Today is May 15th. I got a special package in the mail and I am so freaking excited to open these. Let's go ahead, get inside and bust these open. All right, so before we get started, let's address a few things. I cannot believe that Nike continues to ship in these boxes. I opened a new Instagram account. It is Plain Kicks ATL. Go ahead, give me a follow. Let's get into the box. If you do follow me on Instagram or on Twitter, then you would know that when these dropped on Saturday, I was actually in Greece on a trip with my wife. Greece is 7 hours ahead of the East Coast, so instead of dropping at 10 a.m., they dropped at 5 p.m. And so we were out being tourists and we ran back to the hotel. As you know, everybody had the payment errors, and so did I. And I got really discouraged. And then one of my friends actually hit on a pair around 10:20 local time. I tried all the way until 5:26 Greece time, or 10:26 local time. And that's when I got the most glorious screen. I was this close to giving up. I'm glad I didn't open it upside down. That is a beautiful chocolate brown Air Jordan 1 box. This is awesome. Quick overview of the box. This is a brown Jordan 1 box, which is pretty rare. Usually they all come in that standard black and red box. This one is brown and red, which I think was really unique. It definitely, goes along with the theme of the shoe. This is great. You've got the pink Cactus Jack paper. These are awesome. I still can't believe I got them. The quality on these is just fantastic. And this suede is incredible. All right, guys, so I want to make this video kind of like my Bread 4 video. I know I spent a little more time unboxing them, and then I want to do something special for you guys. I want to put every lace in the sneaker so you can see what every single lace color looks like. Now let's go. The outsole is this beautiful dark mocha. Sail midsole, which looks fantastic, gives it kind of that aged look. The very obvious oversized and reverse Nike swoosh in black. First time this has ever been done. Then you've got these white tumbled leather panels here on the side, on the toe box. I mean, look how nice this is. Same thing on this medial side, although this leather doesn't seem to be as tumbled as the outer, although it could just be, the cut of the leather looks a little bit different. But still very soft. And then you've got this Cactus Jack print, which is actually 3M. I'll give you guys a picture of that here in a second. Back on the lateral side, you've got this butter soft. Look at that. That is crazy. You've got this butter soft dark mocha suede. This is quality suede right here. Sail Nike Air tab here on the tongue. Cactus Jack logo on the outer side of the tongue as well. And it does come on both. You have the stash pocket that wraps all the way around the ankle collar. It's definitely going to go down in the books as one of the best ever, in my opinion. Just a very unique collaboration with Travis Scott. So many unique details, the backward swoosh, the stash pocket, and then just the premium materials. It makes it an instant classic. So what I want to do now, I'm going to give you guys some up close footage of these so you can really see the quality of this leather, the suede, some good detailed looks of these, and then we'll start the lace swapping. of the video that I wanted to take the extra time to make my video unique, show you guys something that you might not have seen yet, and that is every single lace in the Travis Scott 1. So let's get started. So that is every single lace in the Travis Scott 1. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Tell me which color you think looks best, or if you were lucky enough to get these, which color are you lacing up first? I am so happy to have these. They're so comfortable on foot. The materials, again, are just incredible. Drop a comment in the comment section below, guys. I really appreciate you watching. I've got a very, very, very exciting video that I'm going to be shooting here in the next 2 weeks. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers before the end of May. So if you guys wouldn't mind, share this video, like, comment, and subscribe. I'll probably have a couple uploads before then, but if you could, just help me get to that 1,000 subscriber mark by the end of May. And until then, thank you.